So today in this video, we are going to see about Java regex. So it is nothing but a regular expression in which an API is used to define a pattern for searching or manipulating the strings. In simple words, we can say it is used to define the constraint on strings such as password and email validations. Clear? So here to implement this regular expressions, we are going to use a package java.util.regex package. So what this package contains is, it contains one interface, that is match result interface, and it includes three classes: matcher class, pattern syntax, expression class. So in this video, we are going to see about matcher classes and pattern classes and how we are going to implement in the program. Okay, so matcher classes is nothing but it is a regular expression engine which is used to perform the match operations on a characters of sequences. For example, it will perform Boolean matches, Boolean find, or Boolean replace. So these are all the matcher classes expressions. Next one is pattern classes. It is nothing but it is a compiled version of regular expressions. Here, what we will do is it will define the pattern of this regex engine. Clear? Now let's move to the program and we will see a simple program how we are using this both classes. So first thing is what we have to do is we have to import the java.util.regex package. Clear? So dot start. Now, what is the next step is we have to assign the public class. I am just assigning it as regex example 1. And I'm just opening the loops. So here, next thing we have to do is we have to assign the public static void main string args. Again, opening the loop. So here, what I'm doing is pattern p is equal to, I'm just assigning the patterns. So pattern dot compile dot. So what I'm assigning is dot is. So this is what I'm assigning in the package. Next one is matcher m is equal to p dot matcher as. So now I'm assigning the Boolean. We have three methods of assigning this Booleans. So first method is b is equivalent to, so b is equivalent to m dot matches so this is the first method, and in the second method boolean is equivalent to boolean b2 is equivalent to, so here pattern dot compile. So here I'm going to use both things, that is dot is and also matcher as. Clear? Dot matches. So this is the second way of assigning the one second. So here I have now closed the loop. Yeah. So I'm just doing all these things. This is the second method. In the third method, boolean b3 is equivalent to pattern dot matches. Here in the same thing, I'm just assigning all these things is comma as. So this is the third method. So I have assigned using all the three methods. Now I want the system output. So system dot out dot println is equivalent will be b plus b2 plus b3. So this is what the output that I was looking for. If there is no errors, I'll just save the program and I don't find any errors. Now let's run the program. So I have got the output as true, true, true. So the thing is Boolean, all the three Boolean methods says it is matches are correct and we are getting the output as true. This is a way of using the matcher classes and pattern classes in a simple program by assigning the two patterns. Clear? Hope you are clear with this topic. We'll see you in a next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.